The students of our departments have business, production, and laboratory internships within the scope of the undergraduate program. Within the framework of the rules determined by our department and faculty, they complete their internships in many different energy-related institutions and graduate with important knowledge about the sector. The relevant internship regulations apply in these processes. In addition to this, our students graduate by completing their graduation project in the fall semester and their thesis in the spring semester of their last year. Thanks to these theses and projects, they have the chance to apply the theoretical knowledge they have acquired. Our department has Erasmus agreements with universities in 6 different countries, 2 in Austria, 1 in Croatia, 1 in Poland, 1 in Romania, and the remaining 2 in Bulgaria. If our students' GPAs are above the determined grade point average, they can benefit from the Erasmus program if they are accepted by universities with which we have an agreement with. And they can continue their education abroad within the scope of the Erasmus program for 1 semester. We have participated in European Union projects and conferences, workshops and congresses on different subjects, led by our students and other colleagues, where we have provided both study group leadership and consultancy to our students on different subjects. In addition to this, we also participated in various competitions and presentations with our students in different congresses related to energy. At the same time, we participated in different studies together with our students. Our students, unlike other engineering students, are one step ahead in this regard as they receive education in many different subjects in the field of energy. Engineers are required in many different fields related to energy, starting from the production of energy to transmission, distribution, and storage. Our graduates can pursue their career in many different areas on different subjects, from renewable energy technologies to development of smart energy materials and conventional energy production, including the field of energy storage and energy-environment relations. In short, with the increase in issues related to the energy sector, especially sustainable energy policies and environment in recent years, the need for energy systems engineers are increasing, and therefore, our students and graduates are needed more by the sector. Our door is open to all students who have a vision, who are really into the energy field, who are innovative, who can keep up with the requirements of the age, and who love to work. With all our academic staff, we try to do our best with different revisions for our students with our academic studies. We're awaiting all students who want to get involved in important studies in the field of energy.